Hello students, welcome back to the online learning of mathematics. Let us learn lesson number 16, surface area and volume. Volume of the cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is the density of a cylinder, which signifies the amount of material it can carry or how much amount of any material can be immersed in it. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where r is the radius of the base of a cylinder and h is the height of a cylinder. Practice set 16.3, question number 1. Find the volume of the cylinder if height h and radius of the base r are as given below. Question number 1. First, given radius r is equal to 10.5 centimeters, height h is equal to 8 centimeter. To find volume of the cylinder. Solution: volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. This is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder. Let us substitute the values of pi, radius r and height h as given. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 10.5 multiplied by 10.5 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 22 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 10.5 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 2772 cubic centimeter. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is 2772 cubic centimeter. Question number 1. Second, given radius r is equal to 2.5 meters and height h is equal to 7 meter. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Let us substitute the values. So we get volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 upon 7, the value of pi, multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 22 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. After multiplying the three numbers, we get 137.5 cubic meter. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is 137.5 cubic meter. Question number 1. Third sum. Here radius r is equal to 4.2 centimeters and height h is equal to 5 centimeter. To find volume of the cylinder. Solution: volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Let us substitute the values. Value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius 4.2 multiplied by 4.2 multiplied by height 5, which is equal to 22 multiplied by 0.6 multiplied by 4.2 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 277.2 cubic centimeter. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is 277.2 cubic centimeter. Question number 2. How much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter? Given for cylindrical rod, length of rod L is equal to 90 centimeters and diameter D is equal to 1.4 centimeter. To find iron needed to make a rod. Solution: diameter D is equal to 1.4 centimeters. Therefore, radius R is equal to diameter divided by 2, which is equal to 1.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.7 centimeters. Now, volume of the rod is equal to pi r square h. Let us substitute the values. So, 22 upon 7 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by 90, which is equal to 22 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by 90, which is equal to 138.60 cubic centimeter. Therefore, 138.60 cubic centimeter of iron is required to make the rod. Question number 3. How much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter and its depth is 0.7 meters? Given interior diameter of the tank D is equal to 1.6 meter, depth H is equal to 0.7 meters. To find capacity of the tank. Solution: interior diameter of the tank D is 1.6 meter. Therefore, radius R is half of the diameter, which is equal to 1.6 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.8 meters, which is equal to 80 centimeters, as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Depth H is equal to 0.7 meter, which is equal to 0.7 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 70 centimeters, since 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Now, capacity of the tank is equal to volume of the tank, which is equal to pi r square h. Let us substitute all the values. So we get volume of the tank is equal to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 80 multiplied by 80 multiplied by 70, which is equal to 22 multiplied by 80 multiplied by 80 multiplied by 10 after multiplication, which is equal to 14 lakh 8,000 cubic centimeter. To convert it into liters, we have to divide it by 1000, since 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. So we get 1408 liter. Therefore, tank can hold 1408 liter of water. Question number 4. Find the volume of the cylinder if the circumference of the cylinder is 132 centimeter and height is 25 centimeters. Given circumference of the cylinder is equal to 132 centimeters, height h is equal to 25 centimeters. To find volume of the cylinder. Solution: circumference of the base of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r, since the base is circular in shape. So we will use the formula of circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r. Circumference we are knowing, so let us substitute the values. Therefore, 132 is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r, that is radius. Therefore, radius r is equal to 132 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 22. Therefore, radius R is equal to 21 centimeters. Now, since radius R is known, we can find the volume of the cylinder. So, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi R square H. Let us substitute the values. So, volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 25, which is equal to 22 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 25, which is equal to 34,650 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the cylinder is 34,650 cubic centimeter. In next online lecture, we will learn lesson number 17, circle, chord and arc. Thank you.